150 supertankers, frozen, $423,000 per day each, going nowhere. This is the blockade.
"21 miles of water. Your gas, your groceries, your savings, all connected."
I'm Alex Carter. 21 miles of water just broke the world economy. Here is how.
21 miles wide, 2 lanes, 20 million barrels per day, only passage.
84% goes to Asia, China, Japan, India. Europe gets 14% gas here, nowhere else.
March 2, IRGC official announcement. No ship allowed. Any vessel targeted.
Gard
Skuld.
Insurance canceled. No coverage, no captain moves. Invisible blockade.
Iran never mined the strait, just canceled insurance. Same result, 0 ships moving.
January 24 ships daily. March 1, 4. March 2, 0. Cliff.
150 supertankers anchored. Each one, $423,736 per day, just sitting there, waiting.
Qatar declared force majeure March 4 and warned prolonged war could disrupt global energy markets.
Qatar stopped. If Saudi Arabia and UAE followed the east, the world has no backup plan.
Maersk. "21 miles, the smallest stretch of water ever to hold the world economy hostage.
Brent at $65 pre-war, now $82. Traders pricing 4 weeks of closure.
Goldman Sachs, 5 more weeks closed, Brent hits $100. Their words.
Deutsche Bank, worst case. Iran deploys mines. $200 per barrel. The apocalypse number.
3 numbers, $76 quick end, $100 5 weeks, $200 Iran mines.
European gas doubled in 48 hours, 30 euros to 60 euros. Qatar stopped, factories closing.
Japan gets 70% of its oil through Hormuz. Emergency stockpiles released today.
Every $1 crude rise adds $2 billion to India. China hits same.
Asia pays 84% of Hormuz oil. Hardest hit. Nobody covering this.
America's emergency oil reserve, already 200 million barrels short. Before this crisis started.
Saudi Arabia has spare capacity. Useless. It all flows through Hormuz. Trapped.
Bypass pipelines exist. Maximum 4.2 million barrels. Normal flow, 20 million. Not enough.
SPR depleted. Spare capacity trapped. Pipelines at 21%. No solution exists right now.
Trump said the U.S. Navy could escort tankers through Hormuz, but analysts questioned whether escorts can cover the scale of traffic.
150 tankers. Not enough destroyers. Drone attack from any direction. Escorts cannot stop this.
A 21-mile strait now sits at the center of the global economy.
It's dropping too fast. We have to pull out.
I'm trying. The system is lagging. Get me S&P quotes now.
Oil at $100 means inflation. Inflation means no rate cuts. Fed, trapped. Cape of Good Hope, 14 extra days, extra fuel, extra cost. You pay.
One straight. Your gas, your groceries, your mortgage rate, your retirement. All connected.
15,000 passengers. 6 cruise ships.
Stranded in Gulf waters. Nobody told him this could happen.
1 Indian crew member killed. MKD Vyom tanker. A name, not a statistic. A person.
Behind every price chart is a person. 1 already dead. Thousands stranded. More at risk.
Can Iran actually mine the strait? Yes.
Will they? That is the $200 question.
Mining unites China and India against Iran. They need oil income too. Self-destruction.
Iran will not mine yet. Mining destroys Iran too. But desperate regimes act desperately.
Mine deployment Stoiny instant video. Subscribe. Bell on. This crisis moves hourly.
Reports suggested informal outreach about ending the conflict, and energy markets reacted instantly. Political demands on both sides made negotiations extremely difficult.
Harder demands, longer closure, higher oil, more damage. The trap both sides are walking into.
Path 1, Hormuz. Ceasefire within 5 days. Brent stays $80. Ships move. Markets recover. Possible.
Path 3, Iran mines. $200 oil exceeds all previous peaks. Recession.
Our models project 3 distinct possibilities. Scenario 1, maintaining the current posture, shows a 40% chance.
Iran's leadership structure faces uncertainty, raising questions about who controls the next decisions.
For ceasefire, someone must sign. No clear authority in Tehran right now. Problem.
Killing the supreme leader may have made peace impossible. Nobody to negotiate with.
Goldman watching 3 things: throughput, storage, tanker access. Any positive, prices fall.
OPEC pledged 206,000 extra barrels. All must go through Hormuz. Completely useless.
Higher oil prices can benefit major exporters, including Russia.
Iran war funds Putin 1 barrel at a time. Nobody is saying this.
China buys sanctioned Iranian oil at discount. Competitors pay $100. China pays $65. Strategic advantage.
Winners to life. Russia. China. Saudi Arabia.
America launched the war, pays most. Russia and China profit most. Pure irony. Subscribe. Hormuz. Daily. Mine deployment, instant alert. Ceasefire, instant alert. Bell on. Iran threatened Hormuz for 40 years. Never actually closed it. Until February 28, 2026.
Analysts say the current crisis differs from earlier Hormuz tensions in scale and uncertainty.
40 years of threats, nays and none like this. Decapitated leadership. Insurance canceled. Most dangerous ever.
VLCC rate 423,734 per day, all-time high, 94% single-day jump. Maersk reroutes, 14 extra days, extra fuel, war surcharge added. You pay checkout.
Japan, zero oil production, 70% through Hormuz. Strait closed means weeks of supply.
Oil up $35 means $70 billion extra for India annually. Enormous.
SPR covers 20 days if fully released. Hormuz closed months. Math fails completely.
Qatar force majeure. Europe loses 14% gas. 1 month closed, €100. Industry shuts. Final numbers. All verified. Hormuz crisis. By the numbers.
Next 5 days decide all. Ceasefire drops prices 15%. Mines spike $120.
21 miles. The world holds its breath. Assembly secrets will be here for every development.
Next, America is burning weapons faster than building them. China has the count.
Subscribe. Bell on. Hormuz crisis today, daily. Mine alert. Ceasefire alert. All here first.
Stena imperative. Waiting.
IRGC drone boats, 80 knots, swarm from all directions. Escorts cannot cover every vector. Saudi plus UAE pipelines, 4.2 million barrels maximum. Hormuz handles 20 million. Gap, unbridgeable.
Wood Mackenzie. Hormuz worse than Russia-Ukraine shock. Physical supply gone, not just fear.
Gas dropped 12% on ceasefire rumor alone. Markets on hair trigger for good news.
Naval escorts, mitigate, not eliminate. $5 to $15 war premium stays regardless. Mizuho confirmed.
Some analysts warned markets could face a major correction if the blockade continues.
Barclays $120 2 weeks. Goldman $100. Deutsche Bank $200. All point up.
21 miles, empty. The most valuable waterway on Earth. Right now, nothing moving. War premium $5 to $15 per barrel, permanently repriced into Hormuz risk. Refineries need specific crude grades. Saudi crude is not swappable. Retooling takes months. China pays $20 below Brent. At $100 oil, China $80. Europe $115.
1973 tripled oil prices. 2022 Brent hit $130. 2026 could top both.
Assembly secrets. Hormuz. Daily. Every development. Here first. Subscribe now.